we go again. On the 19th to the 21st of March, we are proposing a weekend introductory workshop for our CARE training. At the end of September 2021, we have a CARE training that's starting online. And so in March, we're going to have an introductory workshop for that, so that you can get a real taste, you can get a real experiential sense for how it feels to be a part of our warm and compassionate community, be held in a fun and engaging and caring space where we're going to learn skills. We're going to be able to practice systemics and neurobiological, neuroaffective, neurocognitive skills, and how to bring these theoretical frameworks into proper, specific, and powerful clinical interventions. We're going to have some lectures. We're going to have some time for questions and discussions. We're going to have some demos and also some small group work. We have a dream team of mentors that are going to support us on this weekend, and we'll be able to have safe and supportive spaces to be able to engage and practice new skills, find a new way of engaging with our clients, with our groups. Groups is a big part of how we work in NeuroSystemics. It's one of the unique aspects that we propose, coming as well from combining that with my training in psychosomatics, somatic experiencing, and organic intelligence. I was working there as assistant, as faculty for a number of years. And so in this weekend, we have lots of different insights that you can actually come and practice in a different way already on the Monday morning. We look forward to having you. Welcome. Let's have fun together, because together we go further, my friends.